Hey guys, Kevin here. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm just going to crank on the Facebook Live. All right, I'm going to share my screen first, and I want everyone on the call to please let me know if you can see my screen. There we go. Loud and clear, awesome. So let's hope this Facebook Live works because last few weeks it did not. All right, we got some awesome stuff shared for you today. So we should be live on Facebook. So I want to welcome everyone to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks. And I was just saying we have some pretty cool stuff lined up for you this week, something that we've been working on for quite some time. I'm going to be releasing and sharing with you today. It's going to be available for everybody. And then I'm going to also share with you something that I've been wanting to launch for a very long time. I've kind of listened to a lot of you guys where you are in your business, where you want to go in your business, and what kind of help you need in order to get there. So I think today I'm going to be sharing with you early access and pre-registration for a very special new plan that we are going to be offering to everybody. So welcome everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm going to get right into it. This week, I'm going to share with you our brand new email templates and our email template generator. Give me just one sec to pull it up on my screen, and I'm going to share it with you guys. This will be live in everybody's accounts momentarily, so you'll be able to go through and demo all of that. Give me just one sec to open it up. All right, so let me just pull this up on the screen. I will make it full screen, a little bit bigger for you guys. All right, so here's what is new. So inside the platform, when you click on automation, this is the new automation engine. So within here, if you click on add new automation on the top, and we'll call this email, we'll call this thank you email plus 3 days. And here we'll choose the location. Then we'll do it when somebody disconnects, and we'll do a delay. As you can tell by my title, this is going to be sent 3 days after they connect to a location. I can do this always, once, or by number of visits. In this case, because it's 3 days after this visit, specifically, we're going to do it once. Then I'm going to click on email. I'm going to choose the sender's name. So I'll do john@test.com. Email subject is we want, or thanks for visiting, little gift inside. All right, then you proceed. And here's what is new. So you'll see now, instead of just, previously when you would do that and you get to this point, you'd open up the email editor and it would be blank. You'd have a blank canvas. You'd be staring at, a wide open screen. You won't necessarily have the inspiration of where to start, what to do, how to lay things out, how to make it mobile optimized, how to make it look really good. So what we've done is created a template tool. So you can start from scratch. This is what you used to have before. If you still want to start from scratch, you can do that. Now you can also start from a template and start from a previous email that you've had before. So if you've previously created an email inside the automation engine, you can choose one of those previous emails to use as a starting point. Okay, but here we're going to start from a template. we also have these categories. So we're going to be filling this out with a bunch of designs, generic layouts, just basic layouts if you want to do a promo, newsletter, e-commerce, basic newsletter, one column, standard. So this is just the layout itself. If I go back to the main menu, we have loyalty, birthday, event, seasonal, notification, promotion, newsletter. If I click on newsletter, for example, we have a bunch of different layouts. So if I was, let's say I was setting things up and I was it was a restaurant, I could use the restaurant template. So I would then click on this. It would load up the editor with the template pre-built. So I can go in here, I can mess it all up, I can change anything I want, and I can save this as an email. Benefit of this is that I'm not starting from scratch. So now I actually have a nice newsletter to start from. Let me just zoom back to normal here. Here we go. So I have this beautiful newsletter that I can now go and edit every single image. I can go in, literally click, change image. I can upload new ones. I can search for new ones if I want as well. So here I go into my files, and then I can search for new ones here. So let's say I wanted to do burger. I have some amazing pictures of burgers. So I don't necessarily have to go take photos for my client. I can always use any of the thousands of millions of images located in here. These are all rights free. You can use them as much as you want. And for example, if I was going to just search for that and insert it here, so I will search for one and I will, let's say, choose this one. It's going to import it automatically from the external tool, bring it right into your account so you have access to it later. If you want to use the same image later, click on insert, and now this will be replaced with the burger. There we go. So now it's no longer a broccoli mushroom, it's that nice burger, and I can go in and change anything I want here. So as you can tell, like, I'm not starting from scratch anymore. So now I have an awesome way to do this. And then ultimately, when you start adding your assets, all your assets will be available here. So that burger image that I just added is there. You add all your client logos, everything you need, and everything is always available. So you can just one click, use different layouts, use different templates. And now that's all available directly inside the dashboard. So go check it out inside automation and set this up. Click on email, choose from template, and that is all available now. All right. So something else that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a very long time. We pride ourselves in providing the best platform for social Wi-Fi marketing, definitely the most flexible, the most features, 100% white label at a price point that is truly unbeatable. Now, when I talk to a lot of people, I've had a lot of one-on-one calls, I've talked to a lot of clients and a lot of partners, and I asked where your struggles are and where do you need help with? How can you take yourself to the next level? How can you get through the barriers and some of the tedious work that there is to do in a system? Even though we've created wizards and everything is now super easy, you can like 3-click add everything, generate from Facebook. There's still other stuff that takes up your time that you'd rather be out there selling. Okay, so we're creating a new platinum plan. Now this platinum plan, it's early access. The only people that are seeing this right now are existing members or people on this Wi-Fi Wednesdays and people inside the Facebook group. So this is really early access and the first look that really anyone is going to get on this plan, because I don't even know if I'm going to keep it around for a long time. It's kind of like a plan that I'm offering as an opportunity to get on board now. If you want to get on board, we'll let you in. After we close it, I don't know if I'm ever going to open this again. So essentially, this is the opportunity to build your own giant network of Wi-Fi solutions. So this goes beyond your own white label. This allows you now to add on additional white labels to your account. So we're essentially, with this platinum plan, going to transform your business into one that sells to local businesses. Transform from that. You can still do that. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of money to be made there. But now we're going to give you the opportunity to start selling to other agencies or to managed service providers or to larger companies that demand their own white label dashboard and want everything completely separate on their own white label instance. And with that comes a lot of work, a lot of heavy lifting as far as, just figuring out how to do the processes, having the time to create apps and do things like that. So this is the new platinum plan. This is, you can tell, it's down and dirty. I've simply just copied and pasted this for my own internal notes. Like I said, this is not for public, so please keep this private. But I'm going to walk through this here. Let's see if I can get a pointer in PowerPoint. And give me a sec. see if I can, anyways, I don't have this pointer is not showing up properly here. Anyways, here's what it includes. So the Platinum plan will include by default a Zapier professional account that's on unlimited Zapier features, unlimited zaps, because it's a very important part of this business. It's automating marketing and being able to send your data to anywhere in real time. So we're going to include a Zapier Pro account. It's a minimum $99 value because we'll give you unlimited zaps and everything included with that. Second, we'll give you master white label account access. So the ability to sell white label MSP accounts. You'll have global stats. You'll have a new dashboard that'll show your stats across all of your white labels, and you'll have super admin controls. I might even demo that for you in a minute. But basically, this is made for resellers to sell to MSPs, managed service providers, as MSPs. And you'll instantly be able to provision the white label accounts that we currently sell to MSPs. So let me pull up those two things over here quickly just so everyone understands. The legacy plan that you're all signed up for is unique. It is a one-time offer, obviously, that a lot of you got. Those who are on MSP plans and other agency plans, you're on definitely the best plans we have. We don't really vary this often anymore. We used to change it around to play around with it, but now we're pretty solid in how this is being offered. So the MSP plans that we offer on our corporate website is a $99 white label. It includes 10 locations, 20 devices. You get the white label platform and portal and all the core features. The agency plan is $299. It includes up to 30 locations. Additional locations are $10 per month per location. You get all of the features included in the starter, in addition to the client access manager, the sales CRM and leads widget, the automation engine, the advertising server, the paid Wi-Fi manager, content filtering, and presence analytics. So the thing is, a lot of you guys currently are on this plan over here, and you had to take advantage of all of these features. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could sell somebody else this plan without them knowing that My Wi-Fi exists? So essentially, the ability to sell another agency this plan that's not sold for $299, maybe it's sold for $2,000, $3,000 a month. In addition, you can upsell them all the marketing services that you would be using in here, but their whole instance, their whole setup is their own white label, their own domains, their own control, and you have global access, admin access to this account in addition to you provisioning the account without even talking to us in the dashboard. So essentially, every white label account you add, whether it's the starter or the agency plan, you guys pay us $99 or $299 to provision the account, but your client never really knows how you provision the account. They don't even know that My Wi-Fi exists at all. You set up the white label domains for them, you provision it, and you have global access, and they can actually go inside and manage everything themselves. So those are the accounts that you'll be able to add. You'll also have white label platform training videos, and by selling your own white label, we'll give you other videos that are geared towards telling those clients how to use the platform with no mention of My Wi-Fi, no mention of any brand. In fact, just 100% generic. And you'll also get a support desk content dump. So our entire support desk, all 600 articles, you'll get in HTML format or as a CSV format, as in one massive file that you can take and import into your own support desk or use for your own purposes. In addition to that, you'll also save 25% off the My Wi-Fi store. So as you can tell, of the prices, we know a lot of people buy a lot of hardware from us. So you'll save 25% off of the already crazy discounted prices that we have on that store. You'll also get VIP technical support via one-on-one Zoom meetings. So right now, we're actually going to be switching up our support a little bit. We offer chat support for everybody. From now on, we're only going to be offering the VIP technical support with the Platinum plan. So if you require one-on-one or personal assistance, you want us to jump on a call with you, get on one-on-one booked meeting and calendar, we will dedicate our time and resources to helping you with VIP technical support. Okay, we are also going to provide done-for-you services that help us that if you have any CloudTrax, Meraki, Aruba, or any cloud controller, you simply send us the username and password, and we will do the complete setup for you. So if you go to a client, they have CloudTrax or Meraki, and you're wondering, hey, how do I install this? Don't worry. Ask them for the username and password, or just for the ability to go in there and do it for them, or we'll get somebody to talk to them to make sure that they know exactly what to do so they can set up the large networks. This other thing that we're going to include in this plan is something that I've been wanting to include for a long time. It is done-for-you concierge services. So this is unlimited requests for us to create social apps. So instead of you going into the Facebook apps, go create Facebook app, go what's the URL, the Canvas URL, all that stuff. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You tell us to create an app for you, we will do it, and then you just give us your Facebook email, and we will add, or we will invite you as an admin on that app, and you can take over the app after we do the entire setup. Okay, so we have streamlined forms. If you want us to create locations for you, if you want to create automations for you, if you want us to set up your Facebook pixel or do Facebook, basic Facebook ads retargeting setups. So for example, I have this restaurant location. Can you go set up retargeting ads for everybody that visited my location? We'll go in there and do it for you. You'll have to give us shared access to your Facebook account. You can invite us to do that. But once we have access, we'll go in there and do it. You never have to worry about it. I'm also going to include graphic design services. So if you want a custom graphic design newsletter header, for example, if there's a Halloween party coming up or there's a New Year's Eve festival for one of your clients, let us know, fill out the request form, and we will create that content. We will get one of our graphic designers to actually create it for you, send you the JPEG, PNG file, AI file, Photoshop file, whatever it is, and you can fire your graphic designer. So anytime you need graphic design services, we will include that for you. It has to be campaign oriented. It can't just be, for anything, but it has to be specific to the Wi-Fi campaign. If you want us to create a graphic for the landing page, for promotion, so banners or advertisements, anything like that, instead of you, fiddling around and wasting your time, just put a request in and we'll do it for you for no additional charge. And, it's part of the Platinum plan. Also, because I want the Platinum partners, I want everyone to succeed, but specifically the Platinum partners who are ready to invest. We are going to be having a quarterly call with me personally. So I'll get you in calendar every 3 months to chat with me to see where you are in your business. It'll be a personal check-in. I'll pull up the file. I'll see where you were last time. I'll hold you accountable. I'll make sure that you're moving things forward in the right way. I'm also going to record that meeting and send it to you so you have it for future reference, and you can always keep track of everything that we've done. So all of that, the whole Platinum plan is $597. I was dabbling whether to charge a lot more. I might actually charge a lot more after we see the interest in it, but it is $597 for everything you see in black over here. So you get everything you currently have in the legacy plan, plus the ability to resell white label accounts, 25% off the store, VIP technical support, one-on-one Zoom meetings, done for you cloud controller setups, done for you concierge services, anything you'd ever need to set up in the system, we will do for you if you want us to. Graphic design services included, a quarterly check-in with me, all for $597 a month. Now, we also have an annual plan available. So if you go annual with this plan, you'll get 2 months free. So it'll cost you $5,997, around $6,000, but you're going to get access for the entire year. You're going to get 2 months free Platinum plan access. So you get done for you concierge, all the done for you stuff for the entire year. You get the white label SOP sales and support process. So everything we have for our standard operating procedures, we will share with you. You'll also get Voxer access to me. For those who don't know what Voxer is, it is like a walkie-talkie app that you have for iPhone or Android. You can leave me a voicemail at any time, and I will get back to you. Little question. Let's say you're I'm at a client. This is not for support. This is really more for higher level sales strategy. So don't leave a Voxer saying I'm at a client. Where do I put the plug in? I'm not going to get you back to you in time to help you with that. But if you're like, look, I'm thinking about this client. I want to charge them this much, but I'm not sure. What do you think I should do? I will get back to you with a personal voicemail in response to that, kind of telling you my 2 cents and what I think you should do. So that right there is worth a lot, I think, as far as just having my ear and having my response to you on Voxer. That's included on the annual plan. I'm also going to invite you to a private event held at our offices and in Toronto. So you'll fly down to Toronto. We'll keep you here. It'll probably be a 2-3 day event. And you'll get to meet our whole staff. You'll get to chat with us, and I'll do some private sessions and some business building with you to help, just really supercharge your business. And then also I will do a private 30-minute recorded sales training presentation. I can say I'm from my Wi-Fi, or I don't have to, but it'll be specific for your team or your prospects, or I'll just do your presentation for you, up to 30 minutes of recording. And that's all included for the annual price of the Platinum plan. So if you are interested in this, please let us know. Send us a message in chat support and say that you are interested in the Platinum plan, and we will chat about getting you onto that plan. This is unlisted, so this might even be deleted after a little bit of time. This video, I'm talking about. So if you're interested in this, make sure you jump on board right away and chat with us. Let us know, because this is not going to be around for a long time. And I just want to clarify, chat support is not going away. Okay, we still are going to provide amazing support. We have amazing articles, videos. I'm going to continue to produce a ton of content for everybody. What this is if you want to bring your business to the next level and you want to go on the Platinum plan, you'll get everything you currently have, and you'll add everything I have on my screen to your current setup. and it's all it's going to cost you is $5.97 a month. You can really just blow up the value on this. You can get as many clients as you want on board. And then the annual bonus gives you 2 months free Voxer access to me, the SOPs, standard operating procedures, the private invitation to the event in Toronto near our office, and a 30-minute recorded presentation that I will do for you and you can take to your clients. All right, so that is the big news. I'm going to let you guys think about that. I'm going to probably close registration within 24 hours based on a response. But let me know if you're interested in getting in on that. So the Platinum plan, again, $5.97 a month or $5.97 for the year, and you'll get everything that I have listed here. Please, if you're interested, contact support to upgrade, and we'll get you upgraded right away. Once we hit our number, we will be closing it down. So I don't know, again, how long we're going to keep this up for. Time will tell. So if you have any other questions at all regarding your account or anything that we can help you with, please contact support and chat with support, or visit wifisupportdesk.com. That is our support desk. And also, just want to let you guys know we are working on a new learning management system, so somewhat of something to make the members area a lot better. That's going to be included for everybody, so everyone will get all that value and all those new videos and all the new training sessions of how to do everything with the platform, essentially. But if you want us to actually do the work for you and you don't want to worry about how to do it yourself, upgrade to the Platinum plan. That's what it's there for. All right, so thank you guys so much for joining us. On that note, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. If you have any other questions, chat with support. If you have anything to ask sales and marketing oriented, please post it inside the Facebook group, and I'll see you guys right in there. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon.